In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a person from Facebook Business Manager. If you manage a Facebook business account, there may come a time when you need to remove someone's access. Maybe a team member has moved on, an agency contract has ended, or you're just cleaning up old accounts. Whatever the reason, it's really important to know how to do this properly so that only the right people have control over your business assets. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook profile that has admin access to the business you want to manage. If you have multiple businesses in your account, double check that you've selected the right one in the top navigation bar, because any changes you make will only apply to the currently selected business. Once you're in Meta Business Suite, look for the main navigation menu. Depending on your layout, this is usually on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you're going to click on Settings. This opens the area where you manage the core details of your business account, including people, permissions, and assets. Give it a moment to load, especially if you manage several pages or ad accounts, as it can sometimes take a few seconds. Inside the settings area, you'll see a section that lists the people who currently have access to your business. Find the person you want to remove from your business manager. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting the correct profile, because removing someone will take away their access to your business assets, like pages, ad accounts, and pixels linked to that business. Next, look to the right of that person's name. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. This will open a small menu with a few different options related to that person's access. From this menu, select the option that says Remove from Business Portfolio. When you click this, Meta will usually show a confirmation message, reminding you that this person will lose access to the business and its assets. Review the message, and if everything looks correct, confirm the action. Once you've confirmed, that person will be removed from your Facebook Business Manager. It's a good idea to quickly review your people list again to make sure the change has gone through and that only the right team members still have access.